Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regular Learning Academy. I am Dr. Krishna Sarkar, Department of Electrical Engineering. Here in this session, I will be going to discuss about observable canonical form or second companion form. This is state space analysis control system subjects and lecture series on state space analysis, lecture number 24. So our new topics, observable canonical form or second companion form. In this method, our target transfer function to state equations, state matrix, design of state diagram and signal flow graph and ultimate stability of the system. This is our main target. So observable canonical form. Observable canonical form or second companion form. In adding to controllable canonical form, observable canonical form is associated to another important concept of modern control systems. Observable canonical form has a very straightforward structure and represents an observable system. The idea of observability will be thoroughly discussed in this lecture. So our new topics, observable canonical form. This is second to ND, second companion form. As state model is very much suitable for computer application. This is also very important. This is applicable for computer application. Thus, an exact analysis can be carried out using the state variable models. A linear time invariant system is described by the transfer function of the form. This is a general transfer function of the form. Y of s divided by u of s equals to b0 s to the power m plus b1 s to the power m minus 1 plus b2 s to the power m minus 2 plus bm minus 2 s square plus bm minus 1 s to the power 1 plus bm, and u of s divided by u of s denominator terms s to the power n plus a1 s to the power n minus 1 plus a2 s to the power n minus 2 plus an minus 2 s square plus an minus 1 s to the power 1 plus s to the power 0 into an ultimate. This is, and so this is the general and or overall transfer function where y of s equals to system output and u of s equals to reference input, and this reference input may be step, ramp, parabolic, impulse, sinusoidal, any type of input you can apply. And this is also important. Numerator power is m and denominator power is n. In general case, m less than equals to n. This is the very important. Generally, m less than or equals to n. When m equals to n, the transfer function is this. This is the transfer function for m equals to n. So put m equals to n, then we get ys by us equals to b0 s to the power n plus b1 s to the power n minus 1 plus bn minus 1 s to the power 1 plus bn, and s to the power n plus a1 s to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 1 s to the power 1 plus an. This is the transfer function for m equals to n. This is the transfer function. So our development starts with the transfer function of the form. What is the form? First, cross multiplication. So cross multiply ys by this denominator and us by numerator terms. So ys, this is the ys, and denominator terms, this is the denominator terms. So put here ys into these terms. Put here ys into denominator terms. This is the denominator terms. And us into, this is the us into numerator terms b0 s to the power n2 up to bn. So us into multiply this term, us into these terms. This is the cross multiplication. Then again ys s to the power n into ys, a1 into s to the power n minus 1 into y of s, a2 into s to the power n minus 1 into y of s, plus dot 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 a n minus 2 into s square into y of s, plus a n minus 1 s to the power 1 into y of s, plus a n into y of s, a n into y of s, a n into y of s. This is the a n into y of s. This is the a n into y of s multiplication. Then us into b0 into s to the power n, and us into b1 into s to the power n minus 1, us into b2 into s to the power n minus 2, similarly us into b into n, us into b into n. This is the us into b into bn, us into bn. So after multiplication, this is the form. Then divided the equation by s to the power n. Here the maximum power s to the power n. So divided both sides by s to the power n, and we get first term s to the power n divided by s to the power n cancel, and s to the power n minus 1 by s to the power n. Second term s to the n minus 2 by s to the power n, and s square by s to the power n dot 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 s to the power 0 by s to the power n. So divided by s to the power n. This is the s to the power n, and this term divided by, this is that divided by divided term. So divided by s to the power n terms, and we get ultimate ys minus b0 into us. This is the ys minus b0 into us. This is the ys into b0 minus u of s, and this term equivalent to 1 by s. Similarly, second value, this term equivalent to 1 by s square dot 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 1 by s to the power n dot 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 1 by s to the n minus 1. Similarly, 1 by s to the power n. So starting from 1 by s to the power 1, 1 by s square, 1 by s cube, 1 by s to the power 4 dot 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 1 by s to the power n, and before terms 1 by s to the power n minus 1, 1 by s to the power n minus 2 dot 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 dot. This is the after divided by s to the power n. Then what is ys? Y of s equals to this. So left hand side only y of s, and right hand side other terms. What is the process? b0 into u of s. This is the b0 into y of u of s. Then this is the ys. This is also very important. 1 by s to the power 1 or 1 by s. This is the 1 by s to the power n, or y by 1 by s, and this is the b1 into us, b1 into us minus a1 into y of s, because left hand side to right hand side, that's why sign change. Similarly, second term 1 by s square, b2 into us minus a2 into ys. Similarly, 1 by s cube, b3 into us. This is the multiple 1 by last term 1 by s to the power n. This is the 1 by s to the power n. This is the 1 by s to the power n, and bn us minus an ys, bn us minus an ys. So this is the ys output equals to these terms, and in this case ys equals to what? Ys equals to b0 into u of s. This is the b0 into u of s, and this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus equals to xns. This is the very important factor. This total value equals to ultimate xns. So xn equals to 1 by s into this, 1 by s square into this, 1 by s cube into this, 1 by s to the power n into this. This is the xn terms. So this is the xn terms, this is repeat value. But when 1 by s common, but when first case 1 by s common, then this is 1 by s, this is 1 by s to the power n minus 1, this is the 1 by s only. This is the 1 by s only. So common 1 by s, 1 by s, then we get xns equals to 1 by s to the power 1 b1 us minus a1 into ys plus xn minus 1s. This is the form. And xn minus 1s equals to next term 1 by s to the power 1 b2 us minus a2 ys plus xn minus 2 into s. Similarly, xn minus 2s equals to what? 1 by s b3 us minus a3 ys plus xn minus 3 into s dot 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 dot. x3s equals to what? x3s equals to 1 by s to the power 1 bsn minus 2 us minus an minus 2 ys plus x2s. Similarly, x2s equals to this and x1 is equals to ultimate 1 by s into bn into us minus an into ys. This is the very important factor. xn minus 1s dot 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 x1s. Then multiply by both side s. Then we get this into s, this into s, this into s, this into s, s into x2s, s into x1s, multiplying both side by s, multiplying both side by s. This is the process actually. xns equals to 1 by s to the power 1. So first value this, then s square 1 by s into this, total 1 by s common first time, second time also 1 by s common, third time 1 by s time s common, dot 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 up to 1 by s to the power n minus 1 common. So last term 1 by s into bn us minus an ys. This is the value of x1s. Then cross multiplication, multiplying by both sides s, and we get s into xns, s into xn minus 1 into s into xn minus 2 into s dot dot dot, s into x4s, s into x3s, s into x2s, s into x1s. So this is the first order differentiation. This is first order differentiation dot dot dot, all the first order differentiation. S into x1s, when taking inverse Laplace transform, this is the x1 dot, this is x2 dot, this is x3 dot, this is x4 dot, this is xn minus 2 dot, this is xn minus 1 dot t, and this is xn dot t. So taking inverse Laplace transform, and we get, in this case, just put here ys value. What is the ys value? Ys equals to b0 us plus x1 xns. So put here ys value. This is the b0 us minus plus xns, b0 us plus xns, b0 us plus xns. This is equivalent to ys. So first put ys and then inverse Laplace transform. Taking inverse Laplace transform of the equation, and we get xn dot equals to xn minus 1 minus a1 xn plus b1 minus a1 b0 ut, and xn minus 1 dot equals to xn minus 2 minus a2 xn minus plus b2 minus a2 into b0. Similarly, xn minus 2, similarly dot 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 dot, x4 dot, x3 dot, x2 dot equals to x1 minus an minus 1 xn plus bn minus 1 minus an minus 1 b0 into u of t, and x1 dot equals to minus an xn plus bn minus an into b0 into u of t. So after inverse Laplace transform, this is the x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot, x4 dot, xn minus 2 dot, xn minus 1 dot, and xn dot. These are all state equation. So this is the state equation: x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot, x4 dot, dot dot dot, xn minus 2 dot, xn minus 1 dot, and xn dot. So this is the state equations, and the u coefficient bn minus an b0, bn minus 1 minus an minus b0, u coefficient bn minus 2 minus an minus 2 b0, similar dot 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 b1 minus a1 b0. the state matrix can be written as this. This is the state matrix. X1 dot equals to, this is the x1 dot equals to minus a1 into x1. This is the first value, plus bn minus an into bn minus n v0 into u of t. So this is the first equation. Similarly, for second equation, x2 dot x3 dot x4 dot xn minus 1 dot xn dot, and this is the state equation. This is equivalent to, this is equivalent to x dot equals to ax plus b into u, x dot plus b into u, where a equals to this matrix. This is the special type of matrix because last column only coefficients of the element minus an minus 1 minus an minus 2 minus an minus 3 minus a2 minus a1, and this diagonal element, lower diagonal, super diagonal elements 1, and others terms also are zeros, and this is the b coefficient. This is the b coefficient. So this is controllable if rank of this matrix equals to n. If this matrix rank equals to n, then system will be controllable, otherwise uncontrollable. Then output equals to what? Output ys equals to b0 into us plus xns. Output yt equals to b0 into us plus xns. Taking inverse Laplace transform, then y of s equals to y of t, b0 constant, us equals to u of t, xns equals to xn. So yt equals to what? Yt equals to just xn. So what is the matrix from? Only xn, 1 into xn, others value 0. So yt equals to 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3 plus 0 into x4 plus dot 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 0 into xn minus 1 into xn plus last value b0 into u. This is MIMO system, multi-input, multi-output system, and in this position b0 equals to d, b0 equals to d. So from the state equation and output equation, we can write in the observable canonical form. This is the A matrix, this is the B matrix, observable canonical form, this is C matrix, observable canonical form, and this is the state diagram. This is the state diagram ut. What is y of t? Yt equals to b0 plus u of t, b0 plus u of t, b0 plus u of t, first value, and next second value, this is the x1 dot, this is x1 dot, first equation, this is x1 dot, x1 dot. So x1 dot equals to what? X1 dot equals to this path xn into minus alpha n, so minus alpha n into xn, minus alpha n into xn, minus alpha n into xn, and bn into bn minus an beta 0 into u of t. So x1 dot equals to minus alpha n into xn plus bn minus an b0 into u of t. Similarly, this is the x2 dot. X2 dot equals to what? X2 dot equals to xn into minus alpha n minus 1. This is the first, and this is the ut into bn minus 1 minus alpha n minus 1 into b0. Similarly, x3 dot, x4 dot, x5 dot 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 dot, xn dot equivalent to xn, and y of t equals to what? Y of t equals to, this is the y of t. This is the y of t output, overall output value. So observable canonical form is very useful for computer simulation of linear dynamical system, and thus this form represents an observable system in the sense to be defined, which means that all the state variables have an impact on the system output. This from the system output and state equations, one is able to reconstruct the state variable at any time instant. Thank you.